Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in my tested series. Today, my friends, we've got a solar car air freshener. With me having my puppy and having her in the car all the time, inside, outside, making trips, Lord knows air freshener is a good idea. So, my friends, let's see what's in the box. This little dude can be found on Amazon.com. It was approximately $12. You can see that it comes with one aroma pack, and then it is a tiny little solar powered device that you can then put in your car. Real quickly, we just unscrew it so that we can put in the cologne. Set that aside. This has got an awesome little tear strip, so it's easy to get into. That disc drops in, then we can lock it in place. Now I'm indoors, so of course it's not spinning here, but let's take it outside, peel off the strip, attach it to my dash, and see how it works in the van. Alrighty, friends, so here you can see it is on the dash. With sunlight on it, you can see it is rotating. It does look a little slower for you guys on the video than it does in real life. It's actually moving pretty quickly in here. When I was in the shade, it did not move, so it is sun dependent for it to actually get moving, and it is solar, so it is, and it is giving off a nice smell. I would say it's a cologne, and that's what they listed as, is cologne. I cannot really describe it, as I don't wear a lot of cologne, but it is a nice smell and way better than wet puppy smell. A really cool feature also is that you can loosen that cap to adjust just how much of the smell that you want in your car at any given time. So you can lock it down so you don't get much at all, or you could open it up wide if you had a reason to make your car smell better instantly. I've got it just about maxed out at the moment, and the smell is quite good, and it's kind of fun because I can see inside as it's working. Alrighty, friends, so as you can see, it is nifty, adjustable, uses solar power, which is really cool. You can buy replacement disc for $3.99 for some that last 1 to 2 months, and they've got other ones that are $9.99 that last for 2 to 3 months. I also see ways you can creatively make your own little wicks inside that have the scent you want as well, which I think is pretty sweet. Alrighty, friends, so as usual, there will be a link in the description, and if you found the video useful, please give it a like. You got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.